Hi everyone, this is Shlomo Errol here, your real estate agent. And today I'm going to continue and talk about the home buying process. And after you actually got the real estate agent on your side guiding you, you got the pre-approval letter from your lender, we viewed a few homes, you decided which one fits you the best, the one that you most liked. We put it on the contract, agreed on the price. We did the inspection, we got the attorney to go over all the details, and now we're pretty much over the inspection and attorney review. What's happening actually now is the lender is going to continue working on your file, getting the loan agreed, accepted. One of the things they actually do is send an appraiser to the home to make sure that what we agreed to pay for the home, that's actually the real value of that home. So after that is happening, he's going to go there, see it inside and out, and come with that number. That number should be, or you want it to be, at least at what we agreed on or above it. If it's above what we agreed on, great. We negotiated really well. The one thing you do not want to happen is for the appraised value to come at lower than what we agreed to pay. That means that the lender is not going to fully fund you, and you'll have to come with money out of your pocket. So that's something you don't want to happen. Also, the appraiser is a good thing to have because this is our safety net that we're not overpaying for the home. Most cases, the appraised value comes at what we agreed on or a little bit above. So that's most cases. Right after that, once the lender actually got all the information from you, preparing you for the closing day. But one more thing, just before the closing day, there is a walkthrough. The walkthrough is pretty much a re-inspection of the house. So the best time to do the walkthrough is literally same day or maybe an hour just before you're heading towards closing. You want to make sure that everything in the house is working, that you're getting it like in an acceptable condition, and pretty much there is no surprises, I would say. So no floodings, no leaking, they didn't change any of the appliances, no big holes on the wall. You might see some nails and maybe some dirt. That's okay, not a big deal, but that everything is good, working, and you can actually move in. So like I said, from there, from the walkthrough, you want to go straight to closing. A very exciting day, a very exciting moment for some of you that will choose to buy a home. You'll find the title company people and your attorney going over all the numbers, going over all the details, the names, the property, the title of the property, making sure that the title is clean, with nothing that you didn't know so far, and it's being transferred to you or to the people that are actually gonna have the title on their name. So once all of that is over, pretty much you're gonna get it funded. You're now a new homeowner. So congratulations. Like I said, I see it as a very exciting moment, to own your own home. People say this is the American dream. I can say it's a dream that comes true, not only the American dream. So all over the world, people are buying their homes in order to save money and actually own a piece of property, a piece of their own home, to live there for the next 5 years, 10 years, 50 years. You know the stories. So as I said before, as a real estate agent, I'm going to be here before, during, and after. So I do have a few more tips for you, how to save money on your mortgage, to save money on your taxes, and what are the things to do before you actually move to your home. So I'll see you at the next video with a few more tips. Keep it safe, keep it healthy, and keep it positive.